As you look at this lush fruit-bearing persimmons tree, note first this video is taken during one of the hottest summer months of the 2015 drought in San Diego County. Also note that its owner is following all mandated water-saving restrictions. Finally note the fruit tree is getting as much water as it needs, not just to survive, but to thrive. Wait, what? How? By using water wisely. In fact, you can meet mandated target levels and keep your trees and other expensive landscaping alive and well during the drought. The trick? Use water-efficient irrigating tools. During July of 2015, residents of the Otay Water District exceeded the state-mandated water restrictions of 20%. The total district savings? A phenomenal 29%. The goal of the Otay Water District is to achieve the state-mandated cutbacks, but forcing your trees to die is not the intent.
We're looking around our neighborhoods, and what makes our neighborhoods quite often is the landscape, and what we're seeing is a lot of landscape that is now stressed or dying.
Many neighborhoods are seeing once beautiful, healthy trees paying a price. Leaves and fruit are falling to the ground. Branches are dying as trees shut down extremities to try and survive.
We want to balance the use of water with maintaining the aesthetics of neighborhood, the landscape character of neighborhoods, the property value of neighborhoods.
Mandatory water restrictions across the county allow irrigation 2 days a week. What varies is the number of minutes per station per day. What also varies is the time of year. As of November 1st, 2015, landscape irrigation restrictions changed from 15 minutes per station per day to 7 minutes per station per day, not to exceed 2 days a week. These changes will remain in effect through April 2016. However, and this is important, if residents use certain devices for watering, the rules change in your landscaping's favor.
With smart controllers, with rotating nozzles, with drip lines, we are allowing residents to water as long as necessary.
While the mandatory cutbacks are still in effect, Otay residents can have more freedom to use their water wisely with the mentioned irrigation tools.
They provide water at such a low application rate that runoff is minimized or eliminated.
So how long do you need to water a fruit tree like this? Well, with a rotating nozzle.
The rule of thumb is approximately an inch of water per watering cycle. So if this puts out ½ an inch of water per hour, 2 hours, folks. You need to water long enough to get the water into the ground to do the tree some good.
If you're using state-of-the-art drip lines, it may take longer to saturate the soil, as the application of water is very slow. To use a drip line, you will want to lay the tubing just under the outer foliage area, or adjust the rotating nozzle for the same effect. It could take 4 hours of this drip, drip, drip to reach the roots 12 to 18 inches below the surface. However, with mulch, and depending on the weather conditions, you may not need to water again for 2 or 3 weeks. If the kids or pets use a section of the lawn, keep it alive by switching to rotating nozzles. This homeowner is allowing his water-hogging front lawn to die for a water-wise alternative. He will use less water overall and at the same time make more water available for more precious plants. Check the Otay Water District's website for information on money-saving rebates. During this drought, we all need to save water, but we can also use water wisely. For the Otay Water District, I'm Leonard Villarreal.